Alright guys, let's just go through this quick tutorial on how to solve the last face of the Rubik's Cube. Don't mind my dyslexic squiggles in the background, those are for my eyes only. Just kidding, you can look at them. But there's going to be lots of issues with spelling, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, let's finish this little cube, and the way that we do that is by making sure that we've got 9 faces down here, the 6 that wrap all the way around the cube, and we need a cross up here. Now it doesn't matter which color cross you have, so long as you have a cross up here. The other thing that you're going to need is at least 2 of these middle pieces, these middle cubes, matching with at least 2 of these sides, such as what you see right here. This will also work if you have one that's matching on this side and one that's matching on that side, but either way, what you're going to do is make sure that this is behind you and this is on your right side, like that. If, on the other hand, this is matching with that one and the one in the back is matching with that one, then you want to have it in this configuration as well, so that that matches and that matches. But right now we have this other configuration, so we want this to look away from us and this to look to our right, like this. So we'll do this little quick algorithm, which is going to be, actually I'm going to do it really slow the first time. I'm going to go slow, up like this, and then left. And I'm going to go down one, and then left. And I'm going to go up one more time, and I'm going to go left twice. Once and twice, and then down. Alright, so what that did, hopefully, is once we turn this left one more time, we should have this middle working, this middle working, this middle working, and this middle working. Now, for the next step. To move on now, what we're going to have is we're going to look around our cube and find the one that's actually still matching. So, but this doesn't always happen. Sometimes none of them will match. They'll all the corners may not match. But we're lucky and this one does match. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this corner here on the top right of the cube, where it is, top right, right there, and we'll run another algorithm. But let's say that you didn't have this lucky situation and you had a bunch of these. This would still work. You'd still use this algorithm at least once, and that would solve that issue, and eventually you'd have at least one of these in place. So let's do that. We're going to do a top left, right up, top right, left up, top left, right down, which is basically reversing it, top right, and down like this, and that reversed everything. So if things worked the way they should, this should still be matching, this should still be matching, this should still be matching, and this should still be matching. What will have changed will be that hopefully, see how these are the same colors as 1, 2, and 3. Hopefully if I go here, and we have the Italian flag here, so green, white, and red. We should have green, white, and red, so that didn't work. Let's see here. We should have white, the American flag. We should have white, red, and blue, or red, white, and blue, which we don't, and this might not work either. So what we're going to do is we're going to do that thing over again. We're going to find the cube that did work, and we're going to redo the algorithm one more time. We're going to do top left. We're going to do this really slow. And we're going to do top right, and then this up. Then we're going to go top left and the right down to reverse, and then back and back. And now, hopefully, we'll have some of these matching. So let's see. This should be white, orange, and blue. White, orange, and blue, that's fine. This is exactly the American flag, red, white, and blue. Isn't that beautiful? And here we'll have the Italian flag, so we'll have that working. So now that that's all working, all we have to do is turn the cube so that we have one of the messed up cubes on the right top corner like this, And we do the last algorithm, which usually stumps people for one basic reason. They always forget to turn this last one to the right at the very end of the algorithm. So what you do is you're going to do down this way and then up in this way. Okay? And again, this is the last part there is what usually stumps people. You got to make sure that you hold the cube here so this doesn't move, and that you're only turning these ones, and always remember to do that last turn back here. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Still hasn't changed it, but this cube will change now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once it's working the way you want it to, you will hold on to the bottom 6 and don't let them move. And just turn this face so that it goes in this position right there. And then you'll do it again. You'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now your cube is complete. There you have it. There you have it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video.